भूला जिसे तुझको वो याद करता रहा। तू जीता रहा, तेरे लिए वो मरता रहा। तेरे दर्द की आहट सुनी तो आ गया सब छोड़ के तेरी राह में, लेकर खुशी वो है खड़ा हर मोड़ पे सब छोड़ के।
Hi, hello, namaskar. I'm Dr. Ramakrishna wishing you a very happy 75th Independence Day. Today we make it special by celebrating and also remembering the people known, unknown and unknowable who have sacrificed their lives for the freedom of this country. While we celebrate and experience the external freedom, can we make it more special by experiencing the inner freedom, by making ourselves free from certain enemies which are within, by letting go few aspects that are holding us back. On this auspicious day, let us quickly adopt 3 important things that are going to really design our lives to the best of the possibility. The first thing which we must free ourselves from is self-guilt and self-blaming attitude. We should not keep on blaming ourselves for the mistakes what we have done in the past. We should not keep on blaming ourselves and feeling guilty of non-accomplishment because we can't change it. We are much more mature than what we were in the past. So this maturity should not be dissecting our past, but it should be building our future. The first thing is, let us free ourselves from this guilt and self-blaming attitude. The second important thing which we have to free ourselves from is feeling self-pity. Let us not pity ourselves. Let us be kind to ourselves, but let us not pity ourselves for not having money. Let us not pity ourselves for poor health. Let us not pity ourselves for not having assets. Let us acknowledge that we also have certain positive aspects which are driving our lives, which are assuming importance in our lives. So the second important thing which we have to let go is we should let go the self-pity attitude. The third and the most important thing which we need to free ourselves from is to let go the unknown fears. Fears of future, fears of mistakes, fear of others' opinion, fears of something which is going to happen. We have a tendency to suffer the future as well. What makes you fear controls your life. So let us not give the control of our lives to something else, either to a person or a thing. Let us have that courage to face the things. We have to face what must be faced. We can't escape things. We have to take the life head on. Let this Independence Day not only mark the external celebration, let it also be a reason for the internal transformation. I hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching and Jai Hind.